rare, low mileage, superbly maintained and in excellent original condition. We're delighted to offer this distinctive V8 Volante Efi, finished in Cannock Black with Magnolia hide interior and matching original black hood. Equipped with factory-supplied 16-inch Vantage Road wheels, a suspension upgrade and automatic transmission. One of only 44 UK specification examples built with the renowned electronic fuel-injected V8 engine, giving better fuel economy with increased power and torque than its predecessors. When combined with the robust and convenient automatic transmission, the V8 Efi gives effortless and smooth performance. Last supplied by ourselves 17 years ago at 15,500 miles, this car has now covered just 25,000 miles in total. A birthday gift to the last very lucky owner, this distinctive example of the Volante Efi is one of only 2 originally finished in Cannock Black. Prior owners include the former Le Mans entrant and EMKA Group C race car team owner Steve O'Rourke, whose activities, when not racing, included managing the legendary progressive rock musicians, the Pink Floyd. Accompanying the car is a leather-bound history file containing build data sheet, service invoices, previous MOT certificates, the original owner's service and handbooks, tools and jack. Fully prepared in our workshops to our usual high standards, the car is supplied, freshly serviced and prepared with 12 months warranty and MOT certificate. Available now for viewing at our Hertfordshire showrooms.